I drive, bitch. I don't have a license, but I drive. Idiot.
Do you even have license?
Ah, yes, I understand, Felix. Duper friend, oh, please, xQcl.
You haven't even driven on the freeway before. Ain't no way are you out here giving advice.
Damn. Fair enough. Jesus. Ah.
This bridge work up and shows war walkage.
Hey guys, my name is xQc. I'm the current tank for Team Denial, and I play a lot of competitive games, so you might know me from Uncontrollably as well.
Yeah.
I've been asked to do Winston and bring hard guns on a lot of people when I record myself talking.
"29 months is crazy. Been watching for 4 years and I'm still enjoying every minute. Could you just trim the top a little bit for me, please?"
Ooh, powder. Ooh, powder again. Back to back.
People say Felix should be given
Holy!
a license because he hasn't got a license when he is literally correct. Have a special awareness when driving, you Pepegus. xQcp xQcp.
Shit. The best ones are clearly the can opener, where the back, the
Hey,
front
xQc,
starts and the back
I
is
just woke up
completely
and I'm
removed
happy to still
with
see
no
you stream.
breaking at the back.
Yodi gang need
The
I
door
say
doesn't fall
more.
off.
Hope
You
you
have a
feel
nice.
better.
Oh my, that's art. That's art. Okay, okay. Listen, that's art. Like, look at it. I mean, look at it. That's art. Come on.
Ain't no way this
Fuck,
bridge
so close.
peeling these trucks like a Baba potato peeler. Black mold
That's
truck
ours.
drivers, aha, ah.
Oh, he's going fast. I can hear it. Oh my god. Holy. Ah, that was lame. Oh, okay, listen. Okay, listen. He has a small car. That's art. Look. Bing! Dude, the bags don't break. He's got a full top off. That's a 9. That's at least a 9, no? That's clean. It's not a 10 because you want it to be a longer truck. Fuck, if it was going faster, No, that's lame. That's powder. Shit. Chill. It's gonna chill. Powder. See? Chat. Tell me that the guy in a sedan couldn't brake, right? When this happens. Like 1.5 car distance, right? This guy in some Winnebago brakes before collision. Ooh! Oh my god! In terms of powder,
bro,
that's a
the
10.
bridge be smoking. At
Bro,
semi-pack,
that's a 10
I've never
on the
seen
powder.
so many trucks take
Oh, I
so
thought I
many
just broke a
L's
lever.
in one spot.
Can't see my jet anymore. It just broke. Hello?
At this point, why the hell didn't they pay to raise the bridge? Lol.
Like, hello? What the fuck is this? Look at that. Look! You can see the powder, no paint. Dude. Chest go down. Dude. Does he not hear it? Oh, wow. Ooh. That was sweet. Okay, dude. Ooh, powder. Okay.
Happy 38 months.
So bad. Oh, this is gonna be good. Ooh. Nice. This is a free ramp, but look at that.
They did raise it. Now it is the 1148 plus 8 bridge, but it still happens.
Yeah, that's in the
XD.
video. Oh my god, he's going fast! Holy shit! Free ramp again? Holy fuck. Oh, that's pure
Then
powder.
you go into a Turkish barber and ask for a bit off the top.
Chat. Oh, this one. This is the one. Wait. My favorite thing. This is my favorite thing. No, that's one. The one after that. The one after that. Right after this one. I think it's a yellow. I think it's a yellow car. Over there. Watch this shit. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Not him. He fucking sends it. Come on. Shut this down, right? I think there's another one. No, it's the wrong video. Fuck. They want at the end. So dumb. I watched this video like 8 times.